Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device has Face ID or Touch ID and that Notes password is configured. Open Notes, pick or create the folder you want to secure, and move all items you want protected into that folder. Once done, open the first note you want locked. Tap the Share menu, select Lock Note, and enter the Notes password. Enable Face ID or Touch ID if prompted so unlocking is fast and secure. Now systematically lock the remaining notes inside the folder. Open a note, tap the three-dot or share icon, choose Lock Note, and confirm with the password. Make sure the lock icon appears at the top of each note. This indicates the content is hidden until authentication. You might want to rename the folder for clarity, and check settings to ensure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled for Notes so you can unlock Notes quickly without retyping the password. Finish by reviewing the folder and confirming every item shows a lock icon. This ensures nothing remains exposed. To open a locked note, tap it and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or the Notes password. If a locked note won't open, make sure your Notes password is correct, restart your device, and check Settings Notes password to re-enable biometric unlocking. If problems persist, consider exporting content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.